The drone is developed by French company Turgis Gaillard. AAROK is a male category drone which stands for medium altitude long endurance. This drone would be capable of taking over strike missions, surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence. The drone is estimated to have a maximum takeoff capacity of 5.4 tons. The drone has an empty weight of 2.5 tons and could carry 1.5 tons of weapons. French Air Force already operates the US-made MQ-9A Reaper, and it has an endurance of more than 24 hours. Similarly, AAROK drone also has an endurance of more than 24 hours. And both of them have a similar wingspan, 69 feet for the MQ-9 and 72 feet for the AAROK. But the fuselage design is very much different, with the AAROK having a very bulky design. As far the engine goes, the AAROK is now powered by 1200 horsepower Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 turboprop engine with a propeller mounted on the front. These drones will also be used for multi-domain communication relay. For this role, the drones will be used as French battlefield airborne communications node, which will facilitate rapid shifting of information between several airborne platforms and ground and sea platforms and forces. This will give a better view of the battlefield scenario in times of conflict. For the ISR role, the drone would carry high-performance optronic and electromagnetic sensors. Due to large size of the drones, there is plenty of space to accommodate a variety of payloads simultaneously. Multi-mode radar, electro-optical sensor, and signal intelligence payload, to name a few. Due to its large size and good weapon carrying capacity, AAROK drone would be an important asset for the French forces in maritime surveillance missions. This would be largely helpful in stepping up France's interest in large exclusive economic zones like the Indo-Pacific. The drone will come with SATCOM data link, which will help in operating the drone from any part of the world. And for the strike missions, AAROK will carry the French-made Hammer missiles as its payload. These Hammer missiles comes with a variety of guidance options like laser, GPS, inertial and infrared navigation systems. Also, the Hammer missiles comes in a variety of sizes ranging from 276 pounds to 2,200 pounds. The drone is designed in such a way that it would be capable of performing takeoff and landing in rough patches. Thanks to its rugged landing gear, AAROK drone fits into the category of already existing drones like US MQ-9A Reaper and Turkish Gaillard drone. The AAROK is expected to take its first flight before the year end. And if the orders are placed and necessary certifications are done, it is expected to enter service in the mid-2025.